Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Air Fryer Cookbooks is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to unlock the full potential of their air fryer, transforming simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces with minimal effort and maximum flavor. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner cook, these cookbooks offer a treasure trove of recipes, tips, and techniques designed to elevate your air frying game, making weeknight dinners exciting and healthy meals a delicious reality. Number 5. Air Fryer Cheat Sheet Magnets Cooking Guide. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with this comprehensive guide. It covers over 120 foods in 5 categories, providing quick cooking times and temperature references for everything you make. This guide is built to last, being waterproof, tear-proof, and easy to clean. It features a hook for hanging and a strong magnet to attach it to your fridge for easy access. Designed for real kitchens, it eliminates guesswork with clear, magnetic instructions. Enjoy improved cooking accuracy with bold fonts and both Celsius and Fahrenheit readings. This isn't just a recipe book, it's packed with essential tips. Discover steak doneness levels, frozen food handling, internal temperature precision, and even dessert ideas. Universally compatible with most air fryer brands, this accessory is a must-have. It's ideal for healthy cooking styles like keto and paleo, helping you achieve pro-level results faster. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This guide is perfect for beginners and experts alike. It's an ideal present for moms, wives, grandmas, and anyone who loves to cook. What we like? This guide offers over 120 food entries across 5 categories, making it a comprehensive resource. It's waterproof and tear-proof, ensuring durability in any kitchen. If you're looking for a quick reference that's built to last and easy to keep handy on your fridge, this is the one for you. What people say. This cookbook is a game changer for air fryer owners, offering a wide variety of recipes that are easy to follow and yield delicious results. The cookbook features clear instructions and helpful tips for using your air fryer, making it perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. With a focus on healthy and quick meals, this cookbook provides a fantastic resource for anyone looking to make the most of their air fryer. Number 4. Cosori TurboBlaze 6QT Air Fryer. Experience the next level of air frying with our innovative TurboBlaze technology. It delivers a powerful fan speed and high temperatures for perfectly crispy and juicy results every time. Our unique 5-fan speed system and precise temperature control ensure your dishes are evenly cooked with perfect texture in every bite. The basket and crisper tray are coated with a PFAS-free, non-stick ceramic material. This enhances durability, heat resistance, and provides a healthier cooking experience. Thanks to the innovative TurboBlaze technology, cooking times are reduced. Enjoy perfectly crispy family meals, even on your busiest days. The spacious 6-quart basket is designed to be wide and deep, perfect for family meals. It also conveniently saves space on your kitchen counter. Enjoy a quieter kitchen environment. This appliance operates at less than 53 dB, even on its highest fan speed, for a more peaceful cooking experience. Savor your favorite fried foods with up to 95% less oil. Enjoy that same crispy satisfaction without the guilt. What we like? Experience faster, crispier results with its innovative TurboBlaze technology and a powerful fan. The PFAS-free ceramic coating ensures a healthier and more durable cooking surface. If you need an appliance that delivers exceptional texture, cooks evenly, and is easy to clean, this is a fantastic choice for family meals. What people say. It is very well made, extremely versatile, easy to use, easy to clean, and an all-around amazing kitchen appliance to have. The basket is spacious without the appliance being bulky or heavy. It heats up quickly, gets hot and stays hot. Number 3. 270+ Foods Air Fryer Cooking Guide Magnets. Discover over 270 delicious food options across 5 categories, including unique recipes you won't find anywhere else. This is your ultimate guide for all your air frying adventures. Enjoy accurate and effortless cooking every time. Each food entry has been rigorously tested in air fryers to ensure precise cooking times and temperatures for your everyday meals. Crafted with waterproof and tear-proof materials, this chart is built to last. Its sturdy design and strong magnetic backing ensure it stays put and provides value for years to come. Our stylish design features easy access tabs and large, clear fonts for effortless reading. We've optimized the layout for better navigation, making your cooking experience smoother. This essential cooking guide is compatible with a wide range of popular air fryer brands. It's the perfect companion for any air fryer you own. Elegantly packaged, this makes an ideal gift for any occasion. Surprise your friends and family who love to cook with this thoughtful and practical present. What we like. Boasting over 270 food entries, this guide offers the widest selection on the market. Each entry is precision tested for accurate cooking times and temperatures. If you want the most extensive and reliable cooking information for your air fryer, this is the essential guide you need. What people say. This cookbook is a great addition to my air fryer. It has a lot of easy-to-follow recipes. I love the variety of dishes I can make with this book. Number 2. Lotteli Air Fryer Magnetic Cheat Sheet Set. Introducing the Lotteli Air Fryer Magnetic Cheat Sheet Set, your ultimate guide to perfect air-fried meals. These durable, waterproof magnets stick right to your fridge, making cooking a breeze. Never guess cooking times or temperatures again. Our easy-to-read charts provide precise details for over 100 foods, from meats to frozen treats. They're designed for all air fryer brands. Featuring large, clear fonts and categorized lists, finding what you need is instant. We've even highlighted popular frozen foods for quick reference. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This set is ideal for housewarmings, holidays, or any occasion. It's a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. Crafted with tear-proof and oil-resistant materials, these magnets are built to last. They're a practical and stylish addition to any cooking space. Join the many who've discovered the convenience of our air fryer cheat sheets, as featured on the Today Show. Make your air frying experience easier and more enjoyable. What we like. This set includes 2 magnetic cheat sheets, one with larger font for popular frozen foods, making referencing incredibly easy. It's waterproof, oil-resistant, and tear-proof, designed for longevity. If you appreciate clear, accessible information and want a durable, easy-to-use guide that fits any air fryer, this set is perfect. What people say. This magnetic cheat sheet set is well thought out and visually clear. It includes cooking times and temperature guidelines for a variety of foods, from meats to vegetables to frozen items. The layout is easy to understand, making it convenient to glance at when you're in the middle of cooking. The magnets are impressively strong, adhering well to any metallic surface, whether on the fridge, oven, or directly on the air fryer if it's metal. The durability of the magnet ensures it doesn't slip off easily, even if bumped, which is a plus for busy kitchens. The cheat sheet covers a wide range of foods with approximate times and temperatures, offering a helpful starting point, especially for new air fryer users. The guidelines are close enough to perfect for most foods, so only minor tweaks are needed. Number 1. Essential Air Fryer Cookbook for 2. Enjoy your favorite fried foods made healthier. This cookbook offers perfectly portioned recipes designed for 2 people. No more leftovers or wasted ingredients. We provide recipes specifically scaled for 2, ensuring you cook just the right amount. Discover simple and delicious ways to use your air fryer. These recipes are designed for ease of use and maximum flavor. Cooking for 1 or 2. This guide is perfect for couples or individuals looking for convenient and tasty meal solutions. Unlock the full potential of your air fryer with these essential recipes. It's the perfect companion for healthier eating. What we like. This cookbook focuses on perfectly portioned recipes designed for 2 people, making healthier fried favorites more accessible. If you're cooking for 1 or 2 and want to enjoy air-fried meals without excess, this is the ideal resource for balanced portions and healthier choices. What people say. The cookbook is a great addition to my air fryer, offering a wide variety of recipes. I love the clear instructions and helpful tips provided in this air fryer cookbook. The recipes are easy to follow and the results are delicious. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.